Bola, Bulagaita, pasa kay Uncle Rap for the first 2 points of the game. Uncle Rap
Wala na talag
with the
boardingan sunod.
shot. Paata nag-board sunod. Sunod season. Uncle Jeff. Pasa kay Inaw. Inaw for 3. No good. Rebound by Brosas. Usman ni Inaw. Bangag at this time. Uncle Rockway, mga shot, kaya gamitin board. Steal and turnover. Marsado for 3, no good. Rebound by Uncle Jeff.
Atay good.
Carlos for 3. Lasio. Gipalihan, Lasio. Offensive rebound, Lasio, power move. Lasio, second row, no good. Sado. Hatag kay Kanyete, giwalhan. No good. Sugahan with a gangster shirt. Carlos. Pasa kay Inaw. Inaw, another 3. No good at this time. Rebound by Lasio. Marsado. Hook. Good gihapon. Counted by Bolongaita. Carlos. Driving the lane, turnover. Kanyete, Shakpi. Wala na shot.
Ilog ng Uncle Rap.
Uncle Rap.
Boarding.
Boarding at this time. Rebound by Carlos. Carlos, taas ikamot si Lasio. Merry Christmas para kay Uncle Rap. Score tie, 6-6.
Ha? Pag-ingon. Panggubog.
Rosas open 3. No good. Lasio with the rebound. Marsado. Nice pass. Bulongaita. What a move. Yawa ko na move.
Nabig mo ba?
Gonzaga. Uncle move. Nice pass by Gonzaga.
Wali sutso.
Time remaining 6:30. Bra, trial nun. Carlos for 3. Labaw na. Better. Sugahan, hatag. Rosas, Sugahan, open layup. Good for 2. Sakdaya na nag-dive.
Nagamay si Sadaya.
Kamay sa daya. Marsado, pull-up jumper, foul. Marsado, 2 free throws. First throw, Marsado, wala.
Yugasan mo ng ring.
Imagina ba, reverse na? Awa lagi yun, reverse lagi, reverse.
Open 3, no. Rosas for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by Tugahan. Atag kay Jeff. Jeff Gonzaga, pasa sa lalong. 3 seconds by Paspasan. Now turnover. Another steal by Carlos. Carlos pull up. Inaw open free close. From and on. Time to shoot. 27.
17.
Inaw, open layup. No good. Turnover.
Nalamang ginoon Ritso.
Duharay Biya. Lasyo. Pasakay. Wow.
Grabe, matang shooter kayong bataan ni ba?
Si
Wajib ko nagpalit ng kuha niya ba? Mineral, nagandang ni skill.
Rosas for 3. No good. Rebound by Tangoy. Tangoy, driving the lane, tulutran niya, no good. Offensive rebound by Lasio. Inaw for 3. No good. Rebound by Duenas. Lotanya open 3. Good. Asa sa ilalong. Tugahan, pull-up jumper, and 1. And 1 completed. Pasa kay Duenas. Duenas lalong good for 2. Carlos. Atag kay Inaw. 10 to shoot. Gonzaga. 5 seconds. Gonzaga long three. Wow, bangat.
Ding.
Score 21-24, 2 minutes 45 seconds remaining. It's the first quarter. Aplican Chocomocho, fake by 5 to shoot. Foul committed by number 10 to shoot. Pull up jumper by Lasio. Rebound by Carlos. Rosas. Kay Rosas. Pasak kay Uncle Jeff. Inaw for 3. No good. Another rebound by Lasio. Sa lalong no good. Uncle Jeff, pasa kay Tugahan. Rosas fake. Bakante si Uncle Jeff. Another 3. Tugahan with a rebound. Carlos. 10 to shoot. Patag kay Uncle Jeff. Pull up jumper. Kusog tayo. Dangoy, nice pass sa lalong to Lasio. Rosas pull up jumper, no good. Another rebound by Lasio. Seconds to play. Lutranya, atag kay Dangoy. Dangoy trying to pull up 3. Score 21-29 in favor of Team Metal. 45 seconds remaining, first quarter. Pull up three by Jeff. Nice rebound by Carlos.
Shot yun. Gabay pa.
25 seconds. Dangoy. Grabbing the lane. Wow. No good. Pull up three by Carlos. Tugahan with offensive rebound. 10 seconds remaining.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One shot na lang ang biya. 10 to shoot. Marsado. Hatag kay Cañete. Cañete for 3. Wala. Ihangyo. Rebound by Brosas. Uncle Jeff. Pasa sila lang kay Brosas. Tie ball game.
Yan ko na. Jaga na. Jaga na. Jaga. Jaga. Jaga ba?
Nine seconds to shoot. Oy, lagoy. Ano?
Yan ba? Kuya Jit.
10 to shoot. Foul number 8, Agassi. Labaw na ang Team Ether. Second throw, wala biyang niya.
Hindi ka na ngayon.
Basket count. Marsado, spin move. Almost a turnover. Apple grab. No good. Buenas.
Go.
In the lane. Ibali. No good. Open kay Jim. Boy, na short. Offensive rebound. Wala gihapon. Abtan sa dipinsa. Cañete, hatag kay Uncle Rock. Buenas na 3, no good. Turnover again. Marsado, sidestep. Kuyawa na move. Garets, tulbong kayo. Wow. Hapit man na. Salit sa siling.
Kasamad pa ni Hitler.
Mara, kamu tayo.
Uncle Rock. Buenas, power move. Good for 2.
Nag-chat na sa ispino to, wala pa. Ha? Nag-chat na.
Tugahan, pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound by Buenas.
Ay, mga nasa. Teka niya. Wala ko kakuha na.
Sando sidestep. No good. Another rebound by Carlos. Behind the back. Rebound. Out by Uncle Jeff. Attack kay Rosas. No good. Pull-up. Follow up by Terence Carlos. Labaw tulo ang Team Ether.
Kasamad pa din.
Kolong gaita, layup, no good. Uy, ganyan sa 5 minutes, 45 seconds remaining sa second quarter.
Pizza.
10 to shoot. Pulbong na po kayo, na short at this time. Rosas for 3, almost. Rebound by Buenas. Marsado, hatag kay Uncle Rap.
Borde.
Password. Ay, wala this time. Double team. Out of bounds. Last shot. Power move sila. Last shot, good for two. Labaw na po. Balik ang Team Metal.
Kaduha na to niya, siguro. Aw. Aw pag ito to.
Nice pass sa ilalong.
Wala naman ang wala silang mga angkol ano. Diba?
Langgoy. Hatag balik kay Lasio. 10 to shoot. Power move by Lasio. And one. First half pa lang ta. Rebound by Uncle Jack. Carlos sa ilalong. Hatag kay Inaw. Inaw for three. Wala. What a steal by Uncle Jeff. Pasok sa larong. What a pass. Uy, na-short lang. Marsado. Nice pass para kay Danggoy. Uy, Danggoy. Uncle Jeff. Tutugahan. Pasok sa ilalong. Taas na kayo. Tranya for three. Rebound. Offensive rebound by Danggoy. Nice pass kay Uncle Rap. Nakalitan si Uncle Rap. Passport. No good. Offensive rebound po kay Lasio. Power move. Second row. Good.
Ano siya sa nagputro niya?
Ha?
Sa tipo, sila siya ba? Ano sa tipo?
Double. Bang.
No good at this time. Lasio. Rebound by Carlos. Carlos. Stop ni sa tres. Pasa din ito Uncle Jeff. Kante, hatag kay balik kay Carlos. Inaw for three. No good. No, hindi ng rebound.
Patay si Uncle.
Nice fake. Nice pass. Wow. Napunta sa depensa. 5 to shoot. Hindi kayo, napalak nyo noon. Sabi na bakante na to.
Isa na si.
Ano si
Rosas, lifting the ball.
Baba nila ba?
Rosas, na steal ni Marsado. Marsado. Uno, need sa tres. No good. Offensive rebound by Uncle Jeff. Rap. Danggoy, running the line. Good. 4-2.
Ali, orang yang berulak ni. Kenapa sih? Wan,
Yan ang blue line.
yang berulak ni.
Wala ko ito patos. Hindi naman.
10 to shoot. Carlos, one-legged shot. War shot by Carlos. Tulo Revia, 40-43. Seconds to play. Uy, na-foul. Who's foul? Number 31. Need to shoot. Marsado, pull-up jumper. Good.
Pasado.
Pagkatiga ka.
Uncle Jeff, tulbo kayo. Wala lang siya. Marsado.
Go. Side step.
40-47. Medyo ditaas-taas na ang biya. 20 seconds.
Ah?
Nice pass sa lalong. Abtan siya ni Pinsan na Uncle Jeff. 5 seconds. Pull up 3. No good. Rebound. Another rebound by Lacho. 5 seconds remaining sa ball game. 3. Buena sa ilalong. Good for 2. Carlos, by the way, nice shot by Terence Carlos.
Tulbong kayo.
Patay ka.
One cut, Marsado, warak. Atag sa ilalong, Duenas. Offensive rebound by Lazio. Villano Rani Lazio. Uncle Jeff. Hatag kay Valtero. Valtero, gitag move. Valtero, step back jumper. Wala. Offensive rebound by Carlos. Tutugahan. Wala gihapon. Tabligan. Hatag kay Marsado. Nice shot by Marsado.
Wala na no.
Good for 2.
8 minutes.
Double digit na ang biya sa Team Metal. Tugahan, hatag kay Jeff. Uy, hapit maapsan nila siyo.
Hapit.
Ano lang ako.
Sumayag ko lang ito eh.
Buenas for 3. No good. Rebound by Carlos. Carlos 3-in-1. Hatag kay na turnover yun. Tabligan. Good. Wala kay. Rebound by Pantero. Carlos. Oh, a nice move. Muramon.
Ako ba ito eh?
13 anyos. Pagbibigoy kayo move. Lazio, Gandali, wala. This time, na-rebound ni Valtero. Hatag kay Carlos. 7 minutes. Uncle Jeff for 3.
Bang, bang.
No good. Rebound by Tugahan. Almost and 1. Marsado, hatag kay Cañete. Pag-anti kayo, giwalhan. Wala pa siya. Offensive rebound by Buenas. Valtero. Time to shoot.
Patay yun.
Carlos for 3. Kailangan bangit po. Dili gusto easy shot. Valtero, open 3.
Patay.
Wala ginawa. Offensive rebound by Tugahan.
Kato may malas. Sulod na. Giluwa ba yun?
Foul number 13. Bonus stroke by Tugahan. No good. Score 57-48. 6 minutes remaining sa third quarter. Marsado sa ilalong. Buenas block by Tugahan. Nice defense. Carlos. Carlos with the ball. Hatag kay Tugahan. Nice pass sa ilalong. Tugahan. No good. Offensive rebound. Tugahan. Back to 7-point lead. Team Metal. Time to shoot. Tagligan. Offensive rebound by Lazio. Lazio. Di humit langit. Carlos for three. At isang rebound kay Tabligan.
Diyan na, cancel na.
Marsado, no good. Rebound by
Time out mo sila.
Uncle Jeff.
Dito,
Montero, open shot for three. Wala magyakon. Kulang warm up. Nag-hype na. Foul by Tugahan. Montero, offensive rebound. Then to shoot. Bulang kaita sa silalong. 5. 2 seconds.
Ayun!
Carlos running the lane.
Balik,
Magic
bro.
para rebound.
Wow!
Uncle Jeff, pasa kay Inaw, fade away. Wala yapon. Foul by Carlos. Turnover. Uncle Jeff. Nagulat ang kauban. Uncle Jeff, pasa kay Inaw. Inaw, fake shot. Short at this time. Kaapi si Carlos. Okay, back-to-back turnover. Uy, good pa ginay. Rasyo to Marsado. Marsado, pull up three. Wala. Nice box out.
Murag ibawi ang kindi ba?
Nice pass sa lalong by Inaw to Rosas. Serve substitution. Power move. Wala. Silvi ang power move kay Carlos. Pasa kay Inaw. Inaw na steal ni Marsado. And one para kay Lasio.
Sulit
Dito
sila.
by Lasio. Convert na. Montero, hatag kay Gonzaga. 10 to shoot. Carlos, gitulbungan. Not good. Dangoy, open layup. Good for two. Balik sa pulo ang labaw sa Team Metal. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Gonzaga pasa sa ilalong. Kusog kay Dangoy, hatag kay Marsado, open three. No good. Offensive rebound by Lutrania. Lutrania, dibalik kay Marsado. Again, Tris, walang yapon. Rebound by Carlos. Ipato. Uy. Another turnover. Third quarter. Lasio. Driving the lane. Fade away by Lasio. No good. Rebound by Tugahan. 40 seconds. Montero. Fouled by Lutrania. Uncle Jeff ay burting ay. Brother, bali brother. 15 to shoot. 64-57. Lutrania for three. Not good at this time. 12 seconds. 10. 5. For three.
One.
Burting na po.
Grabe, buhay Japon.
No back. Okay, back. Ball game fourth and final quarter. The top of for third. Upatray Villa sa Team Metal. Attack kay Valtero. Valtero to Rosas, nice fake. Time to shoot. I-board na board ni Uncle Jeff.
Patay.
Wala, this time. Wala man na gulay, sorry. Uncle Rap. Shopping para kay Marsado. 6-point lead. Kapit na sap na ni Uncle Rap. Valtero. Driving the lane. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Tangoy. Marsado. Back-to-back basket by Marsado. Time to shoot. 5. Rosas for 3. Good for 3. 68-63. Limaray Biya sa team battle. Uncle Rap, makante kayo. Na-short si Uncle Rap. Time to shoot. Inaw for 3. Offensive rebound. Rosas again for 3. Not this time rebound
Kapit pa siya.
by Lasio. Fast break. Kaya Uncle Rap. Uy, easy layup para kay Uncle Rap. Uy, hago. Score 70-63. 7-point lead. Pasa sa lalong. Good one. Marsado. Scoop clean. Time.
Okay, Jumper ah, Jumper.
Pero pasa kay Tugahan. 10 to shoot. Carlos driving the lane. 5 to shoot. Tugahan for 3. Short. Tugahan. Almost still by Tugahan. Lasio, hatag kay Marsado. Marsado for 3. Kaya this time. Sa kalusina na ang biyak.
Tanawin nyo ha.
10 to shoot.
Oh,
Nice drop sa ilalong. Uy, nangingit yun.
Patay ka. Look. Pinto the moon.
Carlos driving the lane. Nice pass sa kay Tugahan. Assist, what a pass by Terence Carlos. Back to 8-point lead. Nanggoy. Pasa kay Uncle Rap. Makanti kayo.
And, stop them.
Serve substitution. Time to shoot. Valtero. Rebound by Lasio. Atag kay Marsado. Marsado, pass to Tangoy. Wow, what a pass to Uncle Rap. Behind. Time to shoot.
Wow, giri
Wow,
boss.
a nice skill. Wala makonvert. Kalalok tayo ito. Rebound by Valtero. Attack kay Carlos. Carlos, open 3. No good at this time. Substitution. Pasa sa lalong. Another pull-up jumper ni Uncle Rap. Grabe mo layan mo. Carlos Driving the lane, wala gihapon. Ankle wrap. Scoop shot, no good. Offensive rebound by Lazio. Foul number 4-3, no good. Substitution run.